Hey guys, so shocking news coming in from OnePlus that OnePlus 8T's camera setup will be same as the standard OnePlus 8. Famous leaker Ishan Agarwal says OnePlus 8T will have same 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor, which is also present on so many previous OnePlus devices. Other sensors like ultra wide angle macro shooter will also be the same with addition of legendary 2 megapixel depth sensor. OnePlus 8T will have a quad camera, but there is no telephoto shooter or any periscope lens, but hey, OnePlus is giving you the ultra premium macro and depth sensor. On the other hand, front camera will also be the same 16 megapixel in a punch hole cutout, which is Sony IMX471, and this sensor is already present on OnePlus 8 series, OnePlus 7 series, and even on the OnePlus 7T series. Now basically OnePlus 8T will be OnePlus 8 with some tiny upgrades here and there, and I don't know what happened to OnePlus in 2020. Maybe they are focusing on budget devices like OnePlus Nord N10 or OnePlus Clover. Recently, OnePlus has officially revealed the Warp Charge 65 and give us a first look at the 65 watts power brick itself, which will be able to charge OnePlus 8T's 4500 mAh battery 0 to 58% in just 15 minutes and takes 39 minutes to full charge. It will also have 45 watts of power delivery and Type-C to Type-C cable, making it suitable for use with compatible devices such as MacBook Pro and other laptops. Now, if you are concerned about safety, OnePlus says the Warp Charge 65 power brick and the cable has a built-in encryption chip. There are 12 temperature sensor inside the phone to keep the temperature in safe level, and it will also have a new heat dissipation system as well. The good thing is the power brick will be available inside the box, so you don't have to worry about buying it separately. So that is it in this video guys. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section about the OnePlus 8T camera specifications, and if you end up liking this video then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.